Hey guys, today we have the YZ85. We got the pipe painted, so it looks better than it did before. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put the pipe on, and then we're gonna try to put the plastics on if we have the right screws. I don't know. I just have a bunch of screws. We'll see if they fit. So yeah, that is what we're gonna do. So I'll get back to you when I put the pipe back on. Okay, so I got the pipe and the plastics on, so let's see if it starts. I haven't started in like 4 months, probably. First kick after